What's going on, everybody? So I printed me up some shopping cart keys. Just a plain old regular, shaped like a quarter. Could stick in the shopping cart so you don't have to use your regular quarter. You could just hang this on your keychain. Most people don't carry change nowadays, but you always have your keys on you. So when you leave your car, you have this and you don't have to run back to your car digging for a quarter because you went to Aldi's and you decided you needed a cart. Unfortunately, I obviously do not have a cart at my house to test, but I will eventually end up over there and hopefully they will work. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and comment down below.